Today we're going to spend some time to look at the order management solutions that Distru offers. First and foremost, thank you for taking a look at the Distru system. We're really excited about the opportunity to work with you. So let's dive into the Distru order management solutions. Firstly, Distru is going to allow you to track every single purchase that you have ever made. You'll be able to quickly reference all of your purchase orders and track them from a pending purchase all the way to completed. Now, you can also add purchases into your Distru account, where you simply select your supplier, receiving warehouse location, and the products that you would like to purchase. Once you have ultimately submitted a purchase order, you can then track that purchase order. You'll very quickly be able to see your activity on the purchase level, the shipping manifest, the payments made, which will sync directly to your QuickBooks account, and then you'll be able to quickly add any attachments that you would like. Now, this is obviously on the purchase side, but Distru is also going to allow you to quickly track and log all of your sales orders. So here you'll be able to see every sales order that you have generated in your Distru account. You'll quickly be able to track these all the way from processing to completed. Additionally, you'll be able to create new sales orders, where you yet again simply select the customer, inventory source that will be taken from, and then the line items that you are selling. Once you submit a sales order, you'll quickly be able to reference that sales order. You'll see the activity on the sales level, the invoice that you can send to your customer, your packing slip, which you can send to your procurement manager, any returns that might occur in this sales process, and then yet again, you'll be able to attach any documents that you would need to attach. So as you can see, Distru is a very robust order management system where we are allowing you to track everything that you need on a purchase and sales management level. With that being said, I very much appreciate you taking the time to listen to this video, and we're really excited to show you more of the Distru system. So if you would like to learn anything else about Distru, please go to distru.com and submit a demo request. And one of our very lovely sales staff members will get in touch with you for a demo.